Hi, just passed the FAA 107 drone pilot test exam. First time, 92%. Thanks to all the guys on the internet, on YouTube, with all the wonderful videos on how to prepare for it. I would like to suggest 5 important things for the other person in 2021. This is February now. Everybody else who's taken the exam, good luck to you, but just know that there are a few things have changed. Surprisingly, this time around, there were 3 to 4 questions on center of gravity. What happens if the center of gravity moves further aft? What happens if the center of gravity impacts performance? Stuff like that. Prepare for center of gravity questions. That's kind of new, isn't it? Plenty of questions on sectionals. Sectionals, B, C, D, where does it start, where does it end, the floor of the sectionals that show you a location and then ask you what is the floor, for example, of E. Or a couple of questions, a couple of airports out in the middle of nowhere that are airspace, nothing, G, I would say. But they ask you uncovered airports operation. Would you have to talk to ATC if you were flying your drone around one of those locations where there is an airport? Apparently, the planes land and take off, but there is no airspace, G airspace, in the middle of nowhere. So keep that in mind. Plenty of questions on sectionals, as you would expect. Good questions, actually. A couple of them trickies. Surprisingly, no questions on longitudes and latitudes of locations. Different, isn't it? And plenty of questions on weather, how it impacts humidity, weather, fog, dew points. Focus on that. Couple of questions on visibility. In fact, not too many questions on thunderstorms or cumulonimbus. None of that. 1 or 2 questions on what does METAR questions we'd expect. A couple of METAR questions, very easy. What is the wind direction? What are the wind speed? Very simple ones. Anybody could do it. And the question about what does it mean? What is the floor of a cloud when you have broken or overcast? Some definition of broken, I guess, or visibility when there are clouds. Other than that, no real challenges. If I can get 92 after 2 weeks of study, kind of intense. The standard stuff, the remote pilot's guide, and the FAA documents, couple of them. One is 131 pages, one is 80 pages. Skim through it, know them well, watch a few good videos on the internet. You should be fine. Good luck to you all.